Hi everyone, welcome to database tutorial. So in today's video we will see how we can create hierarchy and how we can make use of it in Tableau. First of all, let's see what is a hierarchy. So hierarchy is we will create a hierarchical fields in one field. So in one field we will have multiple hierarchical fields which we can open up in our visual and we can use in our visual. So what will be the benefit of that hierarchies? We will see that. So first let's create the hierarchy. So here suppose I have my type movie or TV show and I have my rating. I will press on control, I will select rating. Next I have my genres. So I will press on control, I will select my genres. I want to create hierarchy of these three fields, that in one field only I will get these three fields in a hierarchical manner. So for that what I will do, I will right click on the fields and I will go to hierarchy and create hierarchy. Now I will name it type hierarchy. I will click on OK. So now in my hierarchy, as you can see, I have three fields: genre, one, rating and type. But I want my type to be in the first position, so I will drag type to first position, rating to second position. So I can just drag it here. Now so in our rows, instead of genre 2, I want to use this hierarchy field, so I will take type hierarchy here. Now what it will do, so currently it is showing me division into type movie or TV show. When I will expand it here in the rows, when I will expand this type, it will give me ratings, because in my second position ratings are there. Now I will again click on rating and it will give me genre 1. So I am starting from the type which has two distinct categories, and I am spreading it to ratings which have distinct categories in both the types. And now I am moving it to genre 1, more granular level, which is giving me the division of rating to genre 1. So like this I can create a hierarchical manner field which will take me from highest level of data to the granular level of data. So like this, if suppose I want to keep it another way, I want to drag genre 1 on top. I want to first keep genre 1 and then I want to keep rating, and then I want to keep type. So now you can see my minus is coming on rating and genre. Third last is type, so that's why minus is not coming on type. So if I will click on minus in rating, so type will be minus and rating and genre 1 will be showing. Now I will click on minus on genre 1 also, then rating will also be minus and only genre will be showing. Now I will click on plus, so first it will show me rating and then again I will click on it and then it will show me type. So it depends on me how I want my hierarchy to be created, right? So let's see if you want to add another field also in this hierarchy. Because here I want to add director in my hierarchy. So I will right click on this options of director. I will go to hierarchy and I will click on add to hierarchy. So here I will be able to see all the hierarchies which I have created in this data set. So I have created type hierarchy. I will click on it. It will be added in type hierarchy. So again I will arrange it properly. First will be my type, then will be my rating, then genre 1 and then director. So I will click on minus on type, only type will be visible here. So I will click on plus, it will show me rating. I can click from here also. So on the visual also I can click. After rating I will click on plus, it will show me genre, and again I will click, it will show me director. So like this I can create multiple hierarchies and I can make use of this in our visual. So in the visual, with only one field I am adding multiple fields and I am giving independence to user, that user can select that from which level he wants to see that visual. So from whichever level he wants to see that visual, he can easily go to that level and see the visual. So in that way, we can make a good use of hierarchy in our data. So that's it for today. If you have any queries, do reach out in the comment section and I will surely reply to it. Let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care and happy learning.